Alright guys, so this is gonna be an intensive installation to incorporate all the factory system into this new head unit. So I'm gonna make this video short and simple just to show you main radio installation, and I will make separate videos for the backup camera hookup, the microphone, DVD player, and the rear entertainment system hookup. So I will put the links in the description if you guys are interested. Alright, now I got all the cables running up behind the radio, my DVD, and my rear monitor. Try to fade it there. Okay, a microphone. see, I ended up get rid of the brackets because they don't fit properly and it's interfere with this heater control panel. So no more brackets. So try to put this one back together, everything back together now. Done my installation of this 12.8-inch Android head unit. It took me a bit, almost 2 days, a day and a half at least. And the tricky part was the backup camera. See there? That's the cam. Oh, I gotta reverse. All right. Okay. Sonar sensor doesn't really work on the screen, but I have a small monitor up there. It will show me right there, up there. Anyway, I got backup camera is working now. DVD player. It would be nice if they have it on here so I can tap on it, but it's under the apps list. Aux right here. It will show my DVD. Oh, no signal. Okay, so right now it shows no signal because my rear monitor is under the auxiliary output. So that's another thing. I connect for the rear. The rear monitor displays the same as the front screen. So as you can see right there, I'll pop up my Apple CarPlay again. So then when I go to aux input, no signal because the DVD is not playing. So I have to turn to DVD with my remote. Now DVD is running over here and it's running up there too. There you go. So DVD is running. So now stop the DVD. So I have to use the remote control as I cannot control anything on this screen. There, and I go to, let's see, movies. I'm gonna run movie here. Let's see, movie. That's movie. So, in the back, I have to change the input to video. Then, there you go, the rear monitor is working together.